On behalf of our host, Empower Education, let's move on to our other agenda. And I think he has already informed he's done my job, but I would still like to take this opportunity with NSE since 1995, handling various functions like trading capital market, debt segment, and futures and options segment, clearing and settlement, membership and member service management, listing, SME, corporate communications, and business development. He was also involved in NSE SME platform Emerge that was launched by NSE. At NSE today, he is the business head responsible for business development in equities and equities derivatives segment, fixed income and debt markets, currency and commodities, mutual fund and listing. Mr. Hari is a postgraduate in commerce, cost accountant, and a company secretary. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take this honor, and I would request all of you to welcome with a huge round of applause our chief guest of the day, Mr. K. Hariji, on the stage.
Good morning. Thank you very much. Thank you for this. The energy in this room is unbelievable. Normally I always say when we do a program on Zoom or anything else, we always, we start on time because there's no traffic jam, there's no problem. Always it starts on time. First time I'm seeing a physical program starting before time. And that's why you had to change your dress code and come today. So that is unbelievable because the energy is very good. I just came and Mr. Alpaji's message was there when you're saying, don't look at others, look at, don't be jealous of what others are doing, keep focusing on what you're doing. I just came, I entered that time, it was so true, it was so encouraging to hear that. So, good to see you all here. Welcome again, Ms. Alpaji, PIFA, other distributors from Maharashtra, Mr. Nimesh, everybody is here, so it's fantastic to see here on a Saturday morning. So I'm not going to take a lot of time, just to give you a brief that, NSE is the largest exchange in the world for the third year running on derivatives. So we're just out of our teens, we're just about 24 years old, and we are, the number of messages what NSE handles is about 10 billion messages every day, which many people may not understand when we talk about technology. You spoke about BCP. When we talk about technology, I think what the number of UPI transactions we do in a month, NSE does in an hour. So that's the level of technology what we're having. So as we said, we started with the exchange for the debt platform, then we went to capital markets, then we went to derivatives, then currency, then commodities, mutual funds. So we are all over the place in the sense that all the products are there. Launched mutual fund platform in 2014, about 8 years since that platform was launched. So what we are trying to do is to give a user-friendly platform. Mutual fund platform is one platform is very close to our heart because we have to still do a lot of work. So our idea is to give a user-friendly platform, reduce the operational risk for all of you who use the platform, and so that you can focus on business development. When you focus on business development, you don't have to worry about the trading platform, because what NSE is going to give you is going to be the state of the art. We are already working on a new platform which will give you a new experience. So you are one of the guys who have been using NMF right from beginning, and your suggestions for improvement is very important, right? The energy when you scream, it's good to scream. You scream again to us. Tell us what you want as an improvement, because what you want is what we want to give. So why NSE has been very successful, we have about 95% market share, is because in 94 when we started derivatives trading, we started using a computer. When we started using the computer, everybody was saying, hey, who's going to trade using a computer? We are used to screaming on the floor. But we gave what the market wanted. 1 year, first Diwali to the next Diwali, we overtook the other exchange, and then there is no turning back. So what is important is to hear from you, what is important to give what you want, and that's what the team is doing. We are going to give you what you want. We value your feedback very much, and that's why we are all here today. But the whole mutual fund team is here. And on the NMF platform, we have more than 17,000 members spread over more than 800 locations. We are very well spread. NSE terminals, if you see from the equity side, we have more than 200,000 terminals, excluding the internet-based terminals. Direct NSE terminals are there. So, thank you very much for all of you, being here. As I said, this is just a start. I heard all of you talking about your vision. We are just a start. We are scratching the surface. So, have a wonderful session today, and thank you for being here on a Saturday morning. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. I would kindly request you to please be here on the stage. And I would request Ms. Alpa Shah and Mr. Sandeep Bhushetti to please come forward and felicitate, sir. Thank you so much, sir. We're immensely grateful that you took our time to grace this occasion with your presence. Thank you once again.